In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Mobirise website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take your site from your Mobirise project and put it live on your hosting so visitors can see it. First, start by logging into Mobirise. Open the app and sign in with your account so your projects and assets are available. It's a good idea to make sure you're using the latest version of Mobirise for smoother publishing, and that all your images, fonts, and blocks are loaded correctly in the project. Next, open your project. Take a moment to preview your pages inside Mobirise and check that everything looks the way you want. Confirm your home page is set correctly, links are working, and any forms or buttons point where they should. If you've recently made edits, hit save so your changes are included in the export. Now look to the upper right and click Publish. This opens the publishing options. You'll see multiple choices, but for a clean portable package, select Download Zip. This option bundles your website into a single archive containing your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets like images. Choose a location on your computer that's easy to find, then confirm and wait for the export to finish. When it's done, you'll have a zip file with everything your site needs. If you want to double check, open the zip locally and make sure you see an index.html file and asset folders. The final part is to upload those files to your web hosting or client. Sign into your hosting platform and upload the contents of the zip to your website's root folder, often called public HTML, www, or a folder named after your domain. Be sure to extract the zip and upload the files inside it, not the zip file itself, and keep the folder structure intact. If an older version of the site already exists, consider backing it up before replacing any files. During the upload, wait until all files finish transferring so you don't end up with missing images or styles. Once the upload completes, visit your domain in a browser to verify everything is live. If something doesn't look right, clear your cache or try a hard refresh, and confirm that all assets were uploaded and that index. HTML sits in the correct folder. Going forward, anytime you update your Mobirise project, just publish to a new zip and re-upload the files to refresh your live site. That's it, you've successfully uploaded your Mobirise website. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.